Sorkar Meghalaya hapok kajingalam menteri rangba konrat ke sangma kadang penyak shakhmat yakikam ban jingkynriah yaki nongdie paidbah naki jaka paidbah bat kilenti yak kicat menteri rangba ulong ba kani kakam kalong kabadan kam nambar ka sarkar kahapan bu yak hikum jong yeng besar mat man pelat yak kilenti yak kicat nak jingkamnya.
So when the bill was initially tabled, you will recall that NPP was in fact the only party that took up the matter at that time with Mr. Kiran Rijiju, and I had led a delegation of the CBCI, including the President and Secretary General of CBCI to Mr. Kiran Rijiju's place. Even after that, I don't recall any other political party taking up the matter directly with the government and the cabinet ministers. After that, I had again taken another delegation from Meghalaya to the Honorable Home Minister, and post that move, then we saw other chief ministers and other parties and everybody move. So if there was any political party that took up this issue first, it was the NPP. And it's not because of any political point. It's just that we have a lot of closeness with different organizations, and when this information came to us, being concerned about this, we immediately reacted and immediately took the delegation. We are very thankful to the government that it has been now forwarded to the JPC, and we are hopeful that all the concerns that are there from different organizations and different churches, as well as other religious organizations also, will be heard and will be addressed, and we will be able to find a way again to ensure that the balance of regulating foreign currency, at the same time not impacting the good work being done by a large number of institutes, this balance has to be maintained, and both sides should come out clear and should be able to achieve their objectives of, as I said, regulating foreign currency, and at the same time allowing the ease of work when it comes to good work that's happening to these agencies to continue without any major problems.
This time that the NPP can